पे पार्किंगाच्या नावाखाली पणजे नागरिकांची लूट चल्ल्या। जे जागे पे पार्किंगे खातीर अधिसूचित केल्ले ना थंय लेगीत गाडी लायल्यार लोकांकडल्यान पयशे घेवपाचे प्रकार चालू आसात। ह्या विशीं नागरिकांकडल्यान कागाळी आयले उपरांत महानगरपालिकेन कंत्राटदार सोहन जुवारकाराक नोटीस धाडून हे गैरप्रकार बंद करपाची सुचोवणी दिल्या। तरी लेगीत हे प्रकार चालूच आसात। पे पार्किंग घेतना पालिकेचो लोगो वापरप ना अशी अट घातिल्ली। अशें केल्यार ते कंत्राटदार उल्लंघन धारता। अशें आसूनय पे पार्किंग घेवपी कामगार महानगरपालिकेचो लोगो आशिल्ले टी शर्ट घालतात। ताची वळखपत्राचेर लेगीत महानगरपालिकेचो लोगो आसा।
This pay parking attendants who are collecting the fees have been troubling the people of Panaji as well as the visitors who come to park their vehicles, and they're making a nuisance, a total nuisance. They are abusive. They do not speak Konkani. They are all of them are outsiders. They are non-Goans, and as a result of which there have been numerous fights between the citizens of Panaji, the local Goans, and this chap. Very recently, they also abused our ex-commissioner by the name of Melvin was. They actually abused him. He being a very docile person, did not retaliate, but he came and informed us. Besides that, public also informed us that these pay parking attendants, they are charging for fees which is vehicles parked outside the designated areas, which is not in pay parking. And if people don't pay, they threaten them. Actually threaten them. They even take out their video, their cell phone, and take a video of those people, which is totally unacceptable. Not only that, besides, another thing that complaint has been coming from the people is they have, wherever the pay parking signs have been displayed showing the fees, they have scratched out the fees, so the person coming to park do not know how much fee he has to pay, and we got complaint as high as 300 rupees per hour. So we took a council meeting. In the council meeting, this was discussed, and the council meeting decided to issue a show cause letter to the contractor, telling him he must be not knowing what his staff is doing, especially in the evenings when the casino people come to parking of vehicles. That is the time when they do the maximum mischief and gundagiri. So they are wearing CCP t-shirts, CCP caps, CCP logos. People are thinking that it is a CCP staff. These are not a CCP staff. They are outsourced as a contractor. So the council has taken a resolution that this has to be removed. So no more CCP. They can put parking attendants, but they cannot use CCP logos.